Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about fence cleaning. My fence is covered in green algae and this needs to be removed before I can paint it, otherwise the paint doesn't get absorbed. I'm going to show you two ways of removing the algae. The first uses white vinegar and a lot of hard work. The second is easy using a jet washer. Let's look at the first method using white vinegar. You can buy white vinegar online or at major stores. Pour some white vinegar into an empty bottle and then dilute with 4 or 5 parts water. Next, spray the vinegar onto the fence. I'm using a window washer here as it's the only sprayer I had available. Next, use a wire brush to scrape the algae off the fence. This is the largest brush I have, but obviously you would use a larger one. This is the finished result, all algae gone and ready for painting. The second method uses a jet washer. I've put a link in the description. This helps fund the making of the video. I'm using a Karcher K5. Start off with a wide-angled spray and at quite a distance. Adjust the nozzle and get closer so we get a powerful wash that removes the algae and doesn't damage the wood. What took me half an hour with the vinegar took me 2 minutes with the jet washer and far less effort. Again, here's the final result, all ready for painting. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.